When we say citruses, most people probably think that citruses are only oranges, lemons, limes, or tangerines. But no, there are several varieties of citruses. Today, we want to take you on a tour of the different varieties of citruses we have growing in our orchard. I mean the Stonehaus Orchard. Follow me. Here we are by the Australian red finger lime. This is how the tree looks like. It's very thorny, by the way, and you see the leaves are even different. They are not like the normal citrus leaves that we know. This is how they look. The red finger limes has this red or purple leaves when they are baby leaves. But when they are mature, you see they turn into green. This is the Australian red finger lime. And the fruit is like our fingers. That is why it's called the finger lime. And this is a green finger lime. You can see the leaves are broader than the red one. The Australian green finger lime. This is it. And more thornier. See the thorns. And this is the pixie orange. It is an orange that is easy to peel and very sweet. So sometimes some mistake it for the Mandarin orange. Yes, a very sweet variety of orange. And this is a limequat. Limequat. It looks like a kumquat, but this is not a kumquat. It's called a limequat. It's a small tree that grows all year round. There are several varieties of clementines. Currently, we have 5 varieties of clementines growing in our orchard. This is one of them here. This is one of them here. The leaves are elongated. It's one variety. Another one is here. And this variety have thorns. That's to show you that they are different varieties. And their levels of sweetness are different. There's another clementine here. This is a Calamondin, variegated Calamondin. We have 2 types. This is a variegated type, and we have the green one that we'll show you later. Variegation simply means that something with 2 tone colors, and this is red. This is yellow and green. So, if we say variegated plant, it simply means that a plant that has 2 tone colors, that is yellow and green. This is it. And the fruit is normally used as how we use lemons or limes. But for me, I love it in my teas and my drinks because they are very refreshing. The fruit are also variegated. And because they fruit all year, you are assured of continuous harvest. They grow very small. That means they will fit well in your small spaces. And they do well too in containers. This is our pomelo tree. We have a couple of them. But these, I'm standing by just one. Pomelos are the biggest size citrus fruits. That means that they are the biggest citruses that we have. The fruit sizes, they are the biggest fruit so far. So this is a pomelo, this is a red variety. There's a, the leaves will tell you that it's a different type of citrus. This is a Jamaican orange. And this orange is something I personally love so much. It is so sweet, so juicy. But the trick is when you see this fruit, you would think it is a mandarin, but it is not. It is an orange. The cover, the skin looks like a mandarin, but in trying to peel it, it is hard as an orange, but it is so juicy and so sweet. This is the Jamaican orange. All this space is full of the Jamaican oranges. And this is our Caracara red orange. They're very sweet red oranges. It's Caracara red orange. This is a lime, key lime. This is a key lime. This is our Valencia orange tree. We have a good number of them that we harvest the fruit and sell when ready. We have already done harvesting. So you see that we have pruned the trees. We have pruned them to keep them in good shape and to maintain their health. So this is our Valencia oranges. It's a sweet orange. And they grow well too in small spaces. You can see the tree. It's not a big orange tree. So we forgot to harvest this. During the harvest, we forgot to harvest this. So there are 2 fruits on the tree. This one. And they are very juicy. They don't grow big. So they fit into all your small spaces. They will fit into all your small spaces. This is a kumquat. This citrus, it's like a mini orange. The sugar content is on the peel and inside it's sour. So this is how we normally eat it. Pluck it. This is the fruit. You eat it whole with the peel. This is the kumquat. They are easy to grow, easy to maintain, and when the tree is well established, you are assured of continuous harvest all through the year. This is the kumquats for you. They don't grow into big trees, they are very small trees. And as I've stated earlier, that we have several varieties of clementines. Yeah, this is a red clementine. It's a clementine but has a red flesh. The fruit looks like a clementine, but inside is red. That is the difference. This is it. So you can put in the comment section what other varieties of citruses that you know, so that we are all learning. So just put it right in the comment section. Other varieties of citruses that you know. And this is a mandarin. A mandarin, we don't know the variety, but they are very sweet. And then they grow in clusters. The fruit come in clusters. You can see the leaves are different. They are very small and they grow compact. So I call them the sweet mandarins because they are very sweet. This is one of the benefits of pruning. We pruned this tree some few weeks ago and see how it's fruiting profusely. This is a green calamondin. This is it. And the fruits are ready for harvest. Our friends too are hiding here. This is what they do to us all the time. Bird nest. If you don't take it out, oh, sorry. If you don't take it out, you have snakes hiding in them. So we normally take the bird nest out of the fruit trees. If not, you get a snake hiding inside. So this is a calamondin. So if you have a fruit tree, make sure you prune the tree and keep your tree very healthy, because as they grow bushy, that is how they'll be infected with disease, with fungi and other types of fruit diseases. So we always advise that you prune your tree to keep them healthy. This is a Persian lime. It is completely seedless. It has no seeds. When you see it on the shelves, it looks just like a lemon, like a Maya lemon, but these are completely seedless and they are very aromatic. In the comment section, tell us where you are watching us from, where you are watching this video from. And you can also tell us the types of citruses that grows in your country. We want to know. Okay? There's another one here. The Persian lime. It's completely seedless. So juicy and very, very aromatic. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section and then tell us where you are watching from and then the types of citruses that grows in your climate or in your country. For citruses, all these are very important. You don't allow your tree grow anyhow. Make sure you prune them to keep them in a nice shape. This is Lisbon lemon. When you see it, it looks like the Eureka lemon, but it looks different. This is the Lisbon lemon. This is also a Maya lemon. And this is a heavy producer. We harvested like a month ago. You can see it has fruits again. There's a fruit here, fruit here. The fruit in clusters, heavy. Another one is here. The fruit a lot. For Maya lemons in our climate, they don't disappoint. These are Maya lemons. They'll be ready for harvest in some few weeks. Get some here. But these will be for our teas. These one too. So we'll be managing these ones while waiting for the bigger harvest. This is Persian lemon. It's a sweet lemon, or some call it lemonade, because it is sweet and it is lemony. This is it. They grow very small trees. This is a Persian lemon. And this is a Eureka lemon. We pruned it heavily last month. So you have to come again and always remove all the cross branches. For a newly pruned citrus, it's very easy to just do like this to keep your tree clean and nice and healthy. So this is the Eureka lemon. The leaves are so aromatic, so we use them for tea and for cooking. We just took you to side A of our farm where we have mainly citruses. We are now at side B where we have several varieties of citruses and then other fruit like the subtropical, the tropical and the temperate trees. But today we are talking only about the citrus trees. So these trees here, they are 1 year old. Exactly 1 year in this month. So let's go and continue our tour. All these here, from here, are all the Jamaican oranges. All these are Jamaican oranges. Down there. We have this lemon, it's called ever-bearing Thai lemon. In fact, it bears fruit all year round. The fruit are forming. You can see the leaves are different. They look different from other citrus leaves. And they are also seedless. The bigger fruits are here. Ever-bearing Thai seedless lemons. Because these trees are quite young and they are 1 year, they need continuous maintenance. So if you are growing citruses in your orchard or in your home garden or in your farm, make sure you always visit your orchard and prune your trees. Keep it clean so that the trees don't grow and hanging on the floor. So we always come to the orchard, especially this part, and clean the young trees up and make them look more healthy and with better canopy structure. It's very important. If not, you end up with trees that are looking very shady and then with less fruit. And you see pests and diseases hiding inside. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. This is an infection. You see? So if you don't visit your farm or your orchard, you will have many of your trees like this and it will be unproductive. We are going to come back, treat it, and then this thing will be over in some few days. It's like gamoses. You have to treat it very fast before it infects other trees too. Very important. It's part of the farm care. This is a variegated lemon. Variegated pink lemon. The inside is pink. The fruits are variegated. It's a lemon. It's a very slow growing plant because this has been here for the past 1 year. And it's still looking like this. But we'll give you update when they start fruiting. This is a macroot lime. These are used for cooking, for tea making. They are very, very, very aromatic. So I love them in my teas and in cooking my fish meals. So you can also tell us what you use this citrus for. Some call it the kaffir lime or the macroot lime. You can tell us what dishes you used in preparing it with, and then how it is consumed in your country. This is a minula. We have a couple of them, but this whole lane is minula. It's also, would I say, a mandarin orange or a tangerine. They haven't fruited yet, so I can't tell you exactly how it tastes and how the fruit looks like. All we know is this is a minula. This is a ruby red grapefruit. The inside is very red and sweeter than the pomelo. This is the ruby red grapefruit. This is a Mediterranean sweet orange. When you visit your supermarket and you buy your sweet oranges, you are probably buying a Mediterranean sweet orange. They grow very fast and they give you very, very sweet oranges. And they are juicy too, but they need to be watered very frequently. So this is our Mediterranean sweet orange. This is another variety of clementine. This has been hiding here, so we are going to harvest it. So don't worry, for these citruses, very soon they'll be in the Stonehaus Orchard for sale. We sell fresh fruit, so whenever they are ready, we'll let you know. They are very sweet. As we come to an end of today's tour of the citruses in our orchard, we introduce to you our Moringa fencing. We are using Moringa to fence our farm, to give us free mulch, because we are going to use the leaves to mulch our trees, and then we use the leaves for manuring, to manure, green manure for our trees, because we told you that we are into organic farming. That is a plan for this Moringa wall. So as time goes on, we'll give you update on how the wall is growing and how it is looking. Thank you.